Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get this amazing looking dress on Will Dress to Impress. So you'll need to open up the advent calendar, I guess like items on the exact day they're on. If you missed a day or a few days, unfortunately, you'll need to purchase it. Only if you want to. If you don't want to, that's fine. But once you've selected the last day, you'll get the dress with it too, so you won't need to click on anything else. And it's going to be in the dressing room area here. You'll find it in the last one with this hair. But yeah, that is how you can get this really cute dress on Dress to Impress. Again, if you missed the advent calendar, unfortunately, you'll need to purchase the items if you want to get this one. But I didn't miss any, so I got it for free. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.